SumIf, then select the range where the company name is, then select the company which you want to filter, and then select the column where the numbers are present for the column which you want to sum. Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to apply SumIf function on a particular data set. So in this tab data, we have the data set with us where we have company, employee, country, date and salary. And in SumIf function, we are going to apply SumIf formulas based on the questions here. So let's see the questions. Total salary paid by ABC company, total salary paid by LMN company, total salary paid to employees in this particular country, then total salary paid to particular employees, and total salary paid on the dates, right? So why 4 conditions? This particular column is required to sum, and the remaining 4 columns are the columns which can be used as a condition when we apply the SumIf formula. So that's why there are 4 conditions, either A and E, either B or E, C or E, and D or E, right? How to apply the formula? Before that, we can see that we have written the syntax here. We have to write SumIf, then we have to put a condition or a filter, and then which range to sum, right? So let's see, equals to SumIf, then it says the condition or filter. If this particular column you have to update it manually, then what you have to do, you will go to data, you will go and filter the company name in this and then sum the salary, right? Similarly, the condition is select the range where the company name is, then select the company which you want to filter, and then select the column where the numbers are present for the column which you want to sum, and just enter. And here you go. Because we have used a reference in this, right? You can drag it, but just remember it is not freezed. This particular cell should not be freezed. Currently it is freezed. So that's why I'll just remove the dollar signs from here and will again drag it. And you will see you will get the salary populated here. So let's go and check. For LMN company, 38,800 is the salary. I'll go here, apply the filter, go for the company LMN, okay, and just sum it. And you will see the sum is 38,800. And this formula is doing the exact same thing which we did just now manually. Now on the basis of the country, we have to select it. So I'll just drag it again and you will see it is giving me 0. Why? Because it is searching USA in column A. Column A is of the company, right? USA exists in column C. So I'll just go here and change column A to column C. And here you go. You will get the amount like this, right? Similarly, I'll drag it again. And again it is giving me 0. I want this employee name and the salary credited, right? So I'll just go and check the column alphabet. Employee column alphabet is column B. I'll go here, I'll change column B, and then I'll just drag it. And in the same way for the dates also we can apply this. I'll go and check the date column. It is column D. Come here and we'll change it to D, and I'll just drag it. So this is how we can apply the SumIf formula. This is one of the very useful formulas that you should learn because it will save a lot of time for you. In the next video, we are going to see how to apply SumIf's formula. I hope you like the video. Thanks a lot.